Hi, so I'm going to show you how to work around having to buy premium to use some of the biodigital models that they offer. Some of these we would like to use in class but can't because they require premium, which we don't have. So first, after you have logged in, you're going to click on Explore here at the top left. As you can see, all of these are premium, which I don't have, but would still like to use these models. So then I'm going to go to Anatomy by Systems at the left, and in the search bar, I'm going to search Basic. Then I'm going to click on Male Cardiovascular System. Then click on Edit in Studio here at the top left. This is loaded now, and we can use this for any of the other systems or parts of the body. So to do that, you're going to click on Anatomy, which is next to Chapters, and say I'm doing an assignment on the muscular system. I'm going to go to Muscular System and click the eye. And now it'll show up. If I want to work on the muscular system alone, then I'm going to click on the three dots next to it and then click Isolate. And now it's all alone. This works for any of the other systems or parts of the body as well.